Okay, guys, in this tutorial, we are going to be adjusting the speed of a clip, which means either putting it in slow-mo or um, making it go faster. Time lapse, I think is what they call that. So in your, okay, so in your video, you're gonna go to uploads, go to shared, and then go ahead and grab this shared clip called adjusting speed of clip. It should be right there. If not, you may have to scroll to find it. Go ahead and add that to your track. And then we are going to double click it to get to the settings, the different things you can do to this clip. And we are going to go down here to the little speed snail icon. And this is how this works. So if we look at the video in regular speed, okay, so if we look at that speed in regular clip, that's a clip I took a few years ago for one of my Dare videos. That was the normal speed of the clip. And if you can either speed up or slow down the entire clip. So these are the different adjustment levels. Obviously, to the left is slower, to the right is faster, and you can do it in increments. So if you just go 1, you can down, or you can go super duper slow. Or you can try and go faster. Or what I like to do is I like to pick a certain part of the video that can either be sped up or slowed down. I'm going to go ahead and hit reset because I don't want any of those that I just did to be applied. So if you want to just do a certain clip of the video, this is a little more complicated. Find a place where you might want to speed it up or slow it down. So I'm going to use my timeline here, and maybe I want to slow down. I'm trying to find where Eckstein actually throws one. Okay, maybe I want to slow down this part of the clip right here. So it will only slow down or speed up for a portion of the video as opposed to the whole thing. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and adjust your speed. I think I'm going to want it to slow down. And this is kind of just a lot of trial and error. I haven't found a way to figure out how to get it to work exactly right the first time. So go ahead and adjust your speed, whether you want it to slow down or go faster. I just kind of picked a random one there. And then you have to find the part in the video that you want that to take place. So this is another part where I get confused. So I want to find the part where Eckstein actually throws I think it's a water balloon. So maybe about right here. And I want that to slow down some. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, this is the beginning of the video here, or that clip, not the whole video, just that clip. I'm going to drag that in some. So instead of it starting, the slow-mo starting at the beginning, I'm going to have it start, hopefully, where he starts to throw the water balloon. Let's see if that worked. Again, I'm probably going to have to adjust it. So I'm going to jump back to the beginning of the video. It should be in regular speed at the beginning of the video until it gets to this part of the video, until it slows down. So let me hit play. Okay, you can see it starts to slow down there. And that's not where I want it. So I'm going to just keep adjusting it a little further until I get it exactly where I want it. I think I'm going to actually slow it down a little more. So I'm going to slow it down some more. Okay. And then again, go back, hit play. And then boom. You can see it starts to slow down. I don't have time to get it exactly perfect, but that's how you do that. And then I also You can also adjust the end of the clip as well. So maybe I only want the slow down part to happen for a small part of that clip. And the other thing you can do is you can have it ease in and out. Otherwise, it kind of like jumps. It gets a little laggy and jumps. So instead of it just jumping, it'll ease into the speed adjustment. So I usually go ahead and click that. Okay, let's try it again. So it should only be slow mode during this portion of the clip. Go back and watch it one more time. And you can see slow, slow, slow. And eventually it should go back to normal speed. And there we go, back to normal speed. All right, so go ahead now and kind of play around with the speed and adjusting the speed of a clip.